Wanted man in the sector. You ain't that hard to find. I had to see it for myself. Little Jimmy Rayner, the people's hero.
Tychus Finley. Nice suit.
Pays to be prepared.
I heard they put you on ice. Life sentence. What? To give you time off for good behavior?
That's right, old buddy. I'm a model citizen now.
So to what do I owe the pleasure?
Just a friendly business proposition. Do you even know what the Dominion are doing out here?
I'm guessing you're about to tell me.
Digging up alien artifacts, old buddy. Your boy Minsk has gone crazy for them. But I got a contact that'll pay top dollar for every artifact we liberate from the Dominion.
I guess I can hardly pass that up now. Can I, Tychus?
Partners then. 60-40.
70-30. My way. Feels like old times already.
Old times.
This is Donnie Vermillion, live from the UNN studios on Core Hall. We've got a breaking story for you. Let's go live to our own Kate Lockwell on the fringe world of Marsara. Kate?
Thanks, Donnie. Rebel Jim Rayner has reappeared in a big way. He's attacked a Dominion depot near Backwater Station, seizing weapons and distributing them to the local populace.
Kate, I bet the locals are pretty nervous about having a notorious outlaw in their neighborhood.
Actually, Donnie, the people I talked to seemed really encouraged by the...
You heard it here first. Jim Rayner, terrorizing the locals on Marsara. When we return, are your kids using stim packs?
Keep talking, pal. I'm just getting started. Call me curious, but how'd you get out?
Well, I busted out of my cryo freezer while they were transporting me to New Folsom. Oh, I must have killed at least a dozen guards with my bare hands.
Yeah, I've heard this one before. But you left out the part where you walked on water. Made off with the warden's daughter.
Don't you get uppity with me, boy. I heard all about you becoming a big-time freedom fighter while I was away. What happened, Jimmy? The war for truth and justice get too much for you.
I ain't licked yet, Tychus. And I promise you, Minsk is going down, one way or another.
This looks recent. This your doing, Jimmy?
Folks in these parts are ready to fight back against Minsk. Guess they just needed a little push.
You still take this whole revolution thing pretty serious, then?
Everyone needs a hobby, Tychus.
Thanks to your actions, Marsara is now in a state of open revolt against Arcturus Minsk. Ex-convict Tychus Findlay has revealed the Dominion came to Marsara to excavate an alien artifact. Seizing the artifact will strike another blow against the Dominion and generate funds from selling it to Findlay's mysterious contacts.
This old outpost don't look like anything special.
Keep your shirt on, son. Dominion engineers been digging out here for months. See that crane? They're getting ready to move the artifact they found off-world.
Well, I'll be damned.
See? You gotta have a little more faith, Jimmy.
All right. Time to give the Dominion a wake-up call. Let's smash that base and haul that baby out of there.
Not enough minerals. Commander, additional tutorials are available for you to review.
Aye, aye, sir.
We'll need a lot more Marines before we take on the Dominion outpost. Train them up at the barracks. While we're at it, extra SCVs will help us harvest minerals faster. Train them up at the command center.
SCV ready. Been waiting on you. Sure. Got it. Of course. Go, go, go! Affirmative.
Add-on complete.
Oh, yeah. Outstanding. Huh? SCV ready. It's your dime. Big job, huh? Bad news?
Additional
This
supply
better be
items
good.
required.
Yeah, yeah. What's going on? We hear you. Go ahead. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! Gangway. Armed and been waiting on you. Got it. I feel it. You gonna give me orders?
Commander, the Dominion is attacking the rebel base to the southwest.
Good. That'll keep the Dominion off our backs.
Those folks need our help, Tigers. There's no way we're leaving them to rot.
We could use some help here. Oh, yeah. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. This better be good. Well, you guys sure are a welcome sight. We're with you. Just tell us where you want us.
Welcome aboard, boys.
On you.
Rayner's the man!
It's Rayner's boys.
Dominion can go to hell!
Aye, aye, sir. Affirmative. Piece of me, boy. Orders received. Gangway, coming through. Yes, sir. By the numbers, boys. Wide. SCV ready.
Bad guys are that away!
Yes, sir. Go, go, go! SCV ready. Huh? In the rear.
Not enough minerals.
The doctor is in.
This better be good. SCV ready.
Warning. Dominion Hellions approaching.
Your thing. Armed and ready. Who won? You gonna give me orders? Go, go, go! Keep your shirt on. That's fine.
The doctor is in. Need some triage?
Nice job cleaning out that bunker, Jimmy. Between your boys and my skills, we are gonna go a long way together. You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good. Why not?
Is it critical?
Barracks and factory trashed. We just gotta mop up any stragglers and we're home free. Of course. You want a piece of me, boy? By the numbers.
Crane controls accessed. Decrypting security overrides. Crane control established.
Beautiful. Now let's reel that sucker in and get out of here.